Is your Samsung Galaxy playing hard to get with your Bluetooth devices? Let's get you reconnected and enjoying that wireless freedom. First things first, let's try the simplest fix: toggling your Bluetooth. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings panel. Tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. Wait a few seconds, and then tap it again to turn it back on. Give it a moment to scan for nearby devices and see if your desired device appears. If that didn't do the trick, we need to go a bit deeper. Navigate to your phone's settings app. From there, tap on Connections. Once you're in Connections, tap on Bluetooth. Now, find the device you're having trouble connecting to. If it's already listed as paired, tap the gear icon next to its name. Here, you should see an option to unpair or disconnect. Tap Unpair to remove the device completely from your phone's Bluetooth memory. You'll then need to reinitiate the pairing process with your Bluetooth accessory as if it were new. Still no luck? Let's clear the Bluetooth cache. Go back to your main settings menu and tap on Apps. In the Apps menu, tap the search icon at the top and type BLUETOOTH to find the Bluetooth system app. Tap on the Bluetooth app. You'll then see an option for storage. Tap on that. On the storage screen, you'll find two options: Clear Cache and Clear Data. First, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing issues. After clearing the cache, try pairing your device again. If clearing the cache didn't resolve it, you can also try Clear Data. Be aware that clearing data will reset all Bluetooth settings, so you will have to repair all your previously connected Bluetooth devices. Outdated software can often cause connectivity problems. Go back to your main settings, scroll down, and tap Software Update. Tap Download and Install to check for any available updates. Installing the latest software can bring important bug fixes and improve Bluetooth performance. Finally, always ensure your Bluetooth accessory is compatible with your Samsung Galaxy device. Check the manual or the manufacturer's website for any specific requirements. Sometimes, older Bluetooth versions might have limited compatibility. With these steps, you should be well on your way to enjoying seamless wireless connections again.